bara jẹ́ àwa kan bínú à ń bínú ọmọ wa sísá mi tún wá lọ bímọ fún Igbo ṣé kí n lọ kó Obieze wa Obieze lẹ́ẹ̀tì gbà bọ̀dé.
Good evening, everyone. This is Friday, July 24, 2026. It is a breaking news that 4 officers has been arrested due to the viral video of that police officer along Lagos Road that told a traveler that if you happen to be an Igbo man or an Igbo person, I would have detained you. So, this thing has been causing controversies on the internet space. So 4 persons have been arrested. Now, this video I'm making, is not to say that these people don't deserve to be arrested or to be dismissed. They deserve it. Yes. But I just want to say that these people are not the problem. Now, if someone could be arrested and probably be sacked from his work because of the comment he made saying that if an Igbo man, I would have arrested you, that is bad, condemnable. What about Tinubu's wife? Remi Tinubu, a senator, a pastor in the Redeemed Christian Church of God. She was caught on camera and she knew they were videoing her. Said, bring the camera, video me. And she was talking so many things against Igbos, saying that they will chase Igbos out and take their properties, all those things. Between what this policeman said and what Remi Tinubu said, the video is in the internet. Which among them is more grievous? Threatening to push people into lagoon, to kill people, to take their property, to send them away. And a senator of Federal Republic was saying that with that one, this policeman said, which one is more grievous? It is Remi Tinubu's own. Why was she not arrested? Is she not your first lady today? Is she not going everywhere on around doing what she's doing? Tell me the differences. Now, you know me. You see, people think I'm controversial. I'm not controversial. I am just a kind of person that like to deal with the root cause of the problem, not what you are seeing, the result of the problem. Okay? Like, there is a problem. The problem is not about these police people. The product of what these police people are seeing is what you see. Even during an election, you will see so many people say, do you want me to leave Yoruba man and go and vote for Igbo man? Do you want me to do this? No, all those kind of things, they are not good. You understand? And I think I can say that these people are just minority. It's not all Yoruba people that are like this. It's not all Yoruba people that are doing this. Even in other tribes in Nigeria, including the Igbos, you will still have people who are like that. You understand? So this thing is not just only for the Yoruba people, no. But what I'm trying to say in essence is that there is an Igbo problem in Nigeria and we must deal with the root cause of the problem, not just chasing clouds. As I said before, I am not supporting what these police people said, okay? I am not supporting what they said, what they are doing. No, they should be dismissed. They should do with them what they want to do with them according to the law. But what about Tinubu's wife? What about so many people like MC Onduwomo, those people that have said a lot of anti-Igbo words, statements in the time past? Where are they going to put them? Because without justice to all these people, whatever you are doing today against these police people is because these police people are poor. They don't have connection. They are not among the elites. That is why they just arrested them. They want to deal with them. What about what Tinubu's wife said? You see why Nigeria not feel good? Nigeria not feel better? Now, because if somebody committed a crime, because the person is big, they don't do the person. So the justice system is zero. The justice system is only against the poor people. I am not backing these police people up for what they said. No, I've made a video condemning it, but I'm only asking questions. These policemen are only reacting to what senators and president wife are saying. That is what they are reacting. Because they told them that, Igbos are pushed away people. You can push them and take their property. So these people, they are victims. You can always extort them. You can put many checkpoints for people who are going to the east. They have money, they are business people, collect it from them. But if you are going to the north, don't put it. Nigeria not feel work like this. You understand? We can be doing trying and error. You see, all these things is a seed. You saw these things that are going on like this. It is a seed. It is a seed. So it is going to germinate. It's just like a yeast in a dough. It will expand. So there is no how you can solve all this problem without going to the root cause. See, someone who removed history from Nigeria curriculum, the person did it because the person wants maybe Nigeria to be one. You see, if they are teaching history in Nigerian schools, if people concentrate on history, you will understand that Nigeria have no business being one country. What happened before independence? Before independence, because Nigeria is about to have independence, they started killing people from the south and the north. What do? Because they feared that, oh, these people are about to dominate. They started killing. So the killing started very long time ago. The hatred, it is called incompatibility. It is called incompatibility. And this is the same way you see in Europe. In other countries, you see people who are similar, but they have some different things in common in maybe in their culture or the way of their life. They divide, they go to their separate countries, and they are doing fine. Then, for them to bring themselves together, they will form something like EU that you are seeing today, European Union. European Union is like one country in the sense that they share security, they share intelligence, they do business together. So it's a free business flow. You can move from now to Mali to sell your garri from Nigeria. You can bring your oil now from Nigeria. You now go to Niger and sell your oil. Nobody will stop you. You understand? Why? Because it's a free trade zone. That is what people are supposed to do in Africa, especially in Nigeria. But telling me that we should remain together like this forever, we are just trying to build something that is going to consume us in the future. If a president's wife could say that they should take Igbo's property and push them away after Lagos, you should know a pastor. See, this thing, it doesn't have whether you're a pastor or you're a president, the thing is already there. The thing is already there. So, this is a very big problem, and I think it's solvable. Okay? It is solvable. And the only way I know, you people have different ways to solve all this problem. But the only way I know is that people should be given sovereignty, okay, territorial integrity. Now, you see, if you want to protect yourself, even though you are not in your country, if your country want to protect you, they can protect you. Let me explain what I mean. You see, the way people go after the Jews, I'm talking about religion now, people who are Jewish, the people who are all these Arabs, they don't use eye to see Jews. They want to kill them, they want to. But the only thing that is saving most of them is that they came from a country that protects them. That if you kill one Israeli, you are going to pay for it. So you saw this killing going on, it is because we don't have a country that protects you. If you have a country that protects you, let me say, for example, I'm a president of a country, any country at all. You kill my citizen, I will use you to test weapon. You kill my citizen, I will use you to test weapon. Like, it will be an example to others that if before you kill my citizen, you will think twice because you can't bear the repercussion. You know what is coming. That is the terrors. It will be there. But Nigerians are being slaughtered like fowls, like cows every day. This is because you don't have a country that protects you. So that is the essence why people should have territorial integrity. I'm not talking about Edo Duduwa or Biafra. What I mean is that in Nigeria, sovereignty should be given to any ethnic group that desire it. If not, forget about this politics election. Nigeria, too much money is in Nigeria, is in the country. Too much money, and the terrorists have major share of it, major part of it. So anything that you are enjoying today, thinking that this is what should keep you in Nigeria, don't forget that terrorists have it more than you. And for those of you who are still thinking that if Nigeria separate, Igbos in Kano, Igbo in Lagos, what are they going to do? The reason why Igbos in Kano and Lagos are having problem is because Igbos or this region don't have a territorial integrity. If they have a country, you can't mess with their citizens because their country is going to protect their citizens. If you don't do that, they will bring a strict measure against your country. So this is what people fail to understand. You will be more safer as an Igbo man in Lagos and in the northern Nigeria if you have your own country. This is what people are not putting into consideration. But anyway, this is a tax that is going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult. Nobody wants it. They just want the killing to continue. They just want Nigeria to be like this.
Àlàyé lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbogbo yín ọba máa rìkọ́ọ̀dì a máa lọ gbé gbogbo àwọn òrìṣà Èkó wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní àwọn Ìgbò tó bàbá wọ́n lè ní olè ti má rì Ìgbò tó bá lè ti fẹ́ Yorùbá ká jogún ẹ̀ a máa jogún yín ni a máa jogún gbogbo Ìgbò tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí wọ́n lọ ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn ogun wa lẹ́ máa jẹ́ a máa ṣe a máa jogún yín ní lágbára Jésù ìtẹ́ ṣe bá ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ yìí tó ẹ̀bà ara jẹ́ àwa kan bínú ọmọ wa sísá mi tún wá lọ bímọ fún Ìgbò ṣé kí n lọ kó Obieze wá Obieze lẹ́ẹ̀tì gbà bọ̀dé olórí Obieze lẹ́ẹ̀tì gbà bọ̀dé ó fi lọ mú kámẹ́rà wá lọ plé ẹ̀ ní sí ẹ̀ ti gbà bọ̀dé a máa jogún yín ni àwa la máa jogún yín àgọ́ wa ló máa dádì ẹ̀ a máa jogún yín láì ṣe pé yìí nìkan ni aráàlú Haúsá wà ń bí àgbà wọn láyè Kàlàbá wà ń bí àgbà wọn láyè ẹ wá ń bèrè pé báwo ni tí wàá ṣe jẹ́